Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to update Emirates ID in UAE Pass. Based on my experience, once your Emirates ID is officially issued, UAE Pass usually updates it automatically in their system. To ensure everything is properly synced, wait about a week after receiving your new Emirates ID to give the system time to refresh. After that, log in to your UAE Pass app. If you're unable to log in, don't worry, you'll just need to recover your account first. Once logged in, open the menu, go to Documents and select Request a Document. Scroll down to find Emirates ID and tap Request. If you've already requested it, the option may no longer appear. Finally, return to the Documents tab and under Issued, you should see your updated Emirates ID ready to use. That's it. Quick, easy, and automatic in most cases. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile, and that's it.